Good day, everyone. We are Group 3 and we are here to present the air transportation. This presentation is about air transportation, one of the most fastest and efficient mode of travel in the modern world. It plays a major role in connecting countries, supporting tourism, and boosting economic growth. Today, we will explore the advantages, the airline industry, airports, and the type of flights. Before we get started, we must firstly understand what is air transportation is. Put simply, air transportation is any type of transportation that moves through the air. Any vehicle can sustain flight is part of the air transport industry. And there are various different types, from short domestic flight to long-haul international travel. Air transportation is a big part of travel and tourism industry. There are many different types of air transportation. They provide different uses, whether that can be for cargo transportation or tourism, and operate in different ways due to how they are built and the ways in which they are made to fly. The types of air transportation are passenger air transport. Ito ang nagdadala ng mga pasahero sa loob ng bansa o papunta sa ibang bansa. There are, there are different examples which are the Airbus A320 Philippine Airlines. And we also have the cargo air transport. Nakatuon ito sa pagdadala ng produkto, kalakal at sulat. Ang nilalaman nito ay yung mga package from different countries going in and out of the country. We also have the charter flights, mga pipado o espesyal na biyahe, karaniwang inuupahan para sa negosyo o turista. We also have the military air transport, ginagamit ng militar para sa depensa, paglipat ng tropa at mga misyon ng pagsagip. And lastly, we also have the government and the humanitarian flights, ginagamit ng pamahalaan o organisasyon para sa opisyal na misyon at pagtulong sa sakuna. These are the Red Cross, ganon yung examples.
And now let's proceed to the advantages of air transportation. Today, I will discuss the 6 advantages of air transportation. First is the speed, fastest mode of travel. You know what it is? It is an airplane. Airplane are the quickest way to travel. You can go to another country in just few hours, compared to days by land or sea. Second, comfort and convenience. Air travel is comfortable. Planes have seats, air conditioning, food, and entertainment, making the trip easier and more relaxing. Third, global connectivity. Airplanes connects countries all over the world. You can travel almost anywhere because airports are available in many places. Fourth, accessibility to remote areas. Plane can reach places that are hard to access by land, like islands, mountains, or far provinces. Fifth, support tourism and business. Air travel helps tourists visit different places easily and allow business to meet, trade, and grow internationally. 6. The safety compared to the other modes. Air travel is one of the safest ways to travel because of strict rules, trained pilots, and advanced technology. In conclusion, air transportation is one of the most important and efficient ways of traveling today. It offers fast, safe, and comfortable journeys while connecting people and places around the world. It also helps tourism and business grow by making travel easier and more accessible. Overall, air transportation plays a big role in making our world more connected and convenient.
Airline industry overview provides passenger and cargo services. So this is the airline industry provides both passenger and cargo services. It is a key part of tourism and hospitality because it brings travelers to different destinations. For example is sumakay ka ng eroplano papuntang Cebu habang may kasamang kargang mga produkto sa flight. The second one is supports tourism and hospitality. So it creates millions of jobs worldwide, including pilots, flight attendant, and ground staff. For example is dumadami ang turista sa Boracay dumadami ang turista sa Boracay o iba pang pwedeng puntahan dahil sa mga airlines. Third one is creates employment and economic opportunities. So in the Philippines, the industry is regulated by Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, which ensures safety and proper operations. For example is, nagkaroon ka ng trabaho bilang piloto o flight attendant. And the last one is regulated by CAAP. The industry also contributes significantly to the country's economy. For example is, sinusuri or tinitignan ng CAAP ang eroplano bago ito lumipad o umalis para masiguradong ligtas.
These are some airlines in the Philippines. Number 1 is Philippine Airlines. Founded in 1941, it is Asia's oldest airline and the country's flag carrier. Philippine Airlines, the full-service leader, you pay one price for the works, including meals and checked bags. Best for international travel and comfort. Number 2 is Cebu Pacific, founded in 1988, known for affordable fares. Cebu Pacific, the budget giant, they use a no-frills model where you pay only for the seat. If you want to food or bags, you pay extra, famous for their ultra-cheap piso sales. 3 is Air Asia Philippines, started in 2010, part of the Air Asia Group. Air Asia Philippines, the regional low-cost option, part of massive Asia network. They specialize in affordable flights connecting the Philippines to places like Malaysia, Thailand, and South Korea. Number 4 is Cebgo, established in 1995. Focuses on smaller destinations. Cebgo is the island hopper. This is Cebu Pacific's subsidiary that uses smaller propeller planes to land on tiny island runways like Siargao or Masbate, where big jets can't go. Number 5 is PAL Express, founded in 1995. Support domestic routes. PAL Express, the domestic partner, they operate the shorter local flights for Philippines Airlines. If you book a flight from Manila to a nearby province on the PAL website, you are likely flying with PAL Express.
Number 6, Sunlight Air. Founded at 2019, focused tourist destination like Palawan. Sunlight Air is a boutique, small premium style airline that focuses on leisure travel instead of serving many routes. It carefully selects popular vacation spots. Number 7, Airsweep. Established at 2002, known for flight to El Nido, Palawan. Airsweep specialized bring travelers directly to exclusive resort areas, especially El Nido. Number 8, Royal Air Philippines. Founded at 2002, services, charter, and some scheduled flights. Royal Air Philippines can offer flexible flight services including private or group charter. Number 9, Sky Pasada. Started at 2010, areas serve northern Luzon. Sky Pasada operates small aircraft that can land in short of less developed runway. Number 10, Pan Pacific Airlines. Established at 2007, main role charter services. Pan Pacific Airlines focuses mainly on non-regular flights such as group, tour of specialty travel and arrangement.
Famous airport in the world. These are some of the most well-known airports in the world because of their size, services, and global connections. First, Dubai International Airport. Opened in 1960, this airport is one of the busiest in the world. It serves millions of passengers every year and is known for connecting flights between Asia, Europe, and Africa. Second, Singapore Changi Airport. Opened in 1981, it is famous for its world-class facilities, such as indoor gardens, waterfalls, shopping areas, and comfortable lounges. It is often ranked as one of the best airports globally. Next, Heathrow Airport. Opened in 1946, it is the busiest airport in the United Kingdom. It serves as a major international getaway, especially for travel to and from Europe.
Incheon International Airport and John F. Kennedy International Airport is known for their large number of passengers and modern facilities. Incheon International Airport. Incheon International Airport is opened in 2001. It is known for its famous efficiency, cleanliness, and excellent design, making travel smooth and comfortable for passengers. John F. Kennedy International Airport is opened in 1948. It is one of the busiest airports in the United States, and it serves as the major gateway for international travelers entering and leaving the country. Airports in the Philippines. In the Philippines, the most important airports is the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. It is opened in 1948 and it serves as the main international gateway of the country. This airport connects Philippines to many destinations and it handles millions of passengers every year. Although it is often busy, it plays a very important role in tourism, business, and transportation in the country.
Mactan Cebu International Airport is the main gateway to Visayas and famous for resort-like Terminal 2, which of future outstanding timber off-road service as major hub for both domestic and international flight, helping discounted in Manila, which boasting tourists in Central Philippines in 1966 opening market at hub shade for regional travel. Clark International Airport. It's a massive of success story for Central Luzon, utilizes the Farmers U.S. Air Base to create a modern high-tech travel hub since of 1996. It has expected probably of new terminal that serve as primary alternative to NAIA for travelers from the north can travel for economy and the Clark Freeport of Zone. Clark International Airport. It's a massive of success story for Central Luzon, utilized for Farmers U.S. Earth base of speed of create of modern high-tech travel hub since of 1996 and has expected primarily with a new terminal that serve a primary alternative and AAIA for travelers from the north. At escape traveler for economy is the Clark Francisco Bangoy International Airport, as also can know as Davao International Airport. It's the business of Mindanao and has long history dating back to 1940 as future as district during its part of internal stingle of its modern terminal. It's vital for connecting the southern Philippines, the international destination like Singapore and Qatar.